Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. I want to tell you guys something that happened today. So Lowe's is starting their clearance on tools. So I just had a tool haul from heaven. Honestly, it should be legal. I feel like I stole it. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you what I got. We're gonna go over some of those tools, and then I'm just gonna show you on my receipt how much I end up paying for all this good stuff. So check this out. Alright. Literally just came back from Lowe's. It is 10 o'clock at night, so they just closed. So let me show you what all we got. Alright, so you see this trunk full of crap? Yeah, that's right. Wait till I unload it all, and I'm gonna go over with what's what. Alright. Took like 5 minutes to get it rolling, but for all you guys that have been with me for a while, first of all, I appreciate you guys being subscribers. If you haven't, please subscribe. We do lots of cool shit. So, as usual, when we do a tool review, whatever, we like to treat ourselves. I don't know why I keep saying us and ourselves. Me, myself. So, cigar of the day is Macanudo. Good stuff. One of the first cigars I ever started smoking when I smoked cigars. And the beer is Two Hats pineapple beer. One of my favorite light beers. Really good stuff. If you guys trying to lose some chab like I do, I definitely suggest this beer. Alright guys, so let's get to it. So first, we got over here this bad boy. So you got the Cobalt brand, and this is your pretty much hex drivers, but those supposed to be able to take any type of socket in, or not socket, sorry, any type of fastener, because they're like universal. And apparently they're like, if you look at top over here, they give you like metric and standard, so it's supposed to be able to bite onto pretty much anything. And they also look like they have a quarter drive on the bottom, so if you need to get a little bit more torque to them, you can definitely do that. Number one. Number two, this thing feels honestly fairly cheap, but so it's like this style of ratchet, couple sockets, couple bits, adapter. It is 3/8. Should be alright. Then over here, so this is gonna be precision pliers, cutter, precision screwdriver, and all types of little tweezers, which would be very useful. I actually got two of those. 28-piece set with a little nice zippy bag. Sorry. Skip in here. Thing about cigars, if you don't smoke them fast enough, they kind of go out. As you can see, stacked up on WD-40. So it's about two piecers that have a little penetrating oil and WD-40 over here. And this is one of those two-way spray bottles. So those are pretty cool. Got 5 of those bad boys. I promise guys, we haven't gotten to good stuff yet. We haven't. So 320 lumen flash drive right here. Bright as shit. Metal, solid quality. Made by Lux Pro. Seems very good. Should be good as a little mechanic flashlight. Then you got this magnificence over here. So this is ratcheting, and then this front has a little tooth over here, so you can kind of go over the fastener and almost use the front, similar to ratcheting I guess. And this is standard SAE, a little set over here. Alright. 2 more flash drives, 150 lumens. Pretty bright. The brand is Untiltech, something like that. Seems quality, seems a lot better than the free ones at Harbor Freight, so, and wait till you know the price, they're almost free. I mean, just the batteries and then pretty much worth the price, I'll tell you honestly. Right. So you guys ready for the better stuff yet? Good. Alright, so then we got this Cobalt 210 piece bit set. Those are also useful. I've been using Harbor Freight one, as you can see in my DIY videos, where I do like lots of BMW, German car work. Been using the crap out of those. The quality of the Harbor Freight one is pretty crappy. I heard Cobalt is actually quite a bit better, so got one of those. This is probably going to be a Christmas gift for somebody, maybe even for one of the subscribers. So, little charge pack with his flashlight, drill, whatever that saw is, jigsaw, and detail sander. Really don't need this, but it was too good of a deal to pass up. Now this is actually something that I'm kind of impressed with. So, what we got here is a little toolbox. It's beefy. I mean, the thing is heavy as shit. The doors are locked unless the top is not open. So, and as you can see, even comes with liners in all of the drawers. They're nice, like little. They have a little Cobalt logo on them. Seems very heavy duty. One downside about it, it's pretty heavy, so probably not gonna be like your junkyard toolbox, because shit weighs probably, I would say, a good 10 pounds, maybe more. Loaded up with tools, probably heavy. Alright, then we got this bad boy here. So you got 109 piece tool set, has some sockets, ratchet, screwdrivers, your bit drivers, pretty much basic stuff, some pliers, and a level for some reason. It's more of a household tool set than a mechanic one, but it does have some stuff that mechanic can use. So, and for the price, again, we got it. You can pretty much toss everything away and just leave a ratchet, and it will be worth it. Alright, now the meaty stuff. Alright, so this is actually pretty freaking epic. So you got both, well, not both, Bosch half drive impact, Bosch drill, 18 volt, lithium ion, batteries, chargers, not just tool only, but the whole kit right up in here. And if you guys seen my videos, you know I'm the Walden Milwaukee person, but again, could not pass this up. Quarter drive impact, and another drill. Probably gonna give it away to somebody, possibly one of you guys, but I do gotta get some more subscribers. Alright, almost there. Then we got this Cobalt home set again. Comes with a little neat carrying pouch. I actually got 2 of them. And the last but not least, Cobalt Sawzall with a 5-year warranty on it. Again, brand new. And don't mind the price, that's not the real price. Alright, so that's pretty much all the tools. So I don't know if you guys been counting. That's roughly around $800 worth of tools. You guys ready for me to bust out the receipt? You ready for this? Drum roll please. Make sure that you guys don't steal my information. No, I'm just kidding. You guys won't. Alright. So, this is all the good stuff. And this is my total. $211.25. which is less than one of those Bosch units is. So is that a steal or what? I mean, I feel honestly like I robbed the fucking place. But on a serious note, it is all legit 75% off right now. They're starting it actually tomorrow at our local ones. It could be different by your location, I honestly don't know, but definitely check out your Lowe's. And I talked to somebody in charge over there. I actually got a manager over there and kind of talked to him. I was like, hey dude, so you say up to 75% off, like, so if it has a clearance tag and it's not 75%, can you do 75% off? He's like, well, if you're gonna buy a whole bunch of shit, I'll do everything 75% off as long as it's clearance. I was like, alright, deal. So I went and just loaded pretty much a whole bunch of stuff that I could find. Took it up him. I was like, hey dude, this is all on clearance. Are you gonna honor like 75% off like you promised me earlier? He was like, yeah, take it up front. Took it up front, they ran everything up, did like a massive 75% off price override. And here we are, me and all those tools that I already have. But since it's such a good deal for a couple of $100, I mean, might as well just keep them as spares. I mean, shit. Like I'm still kind of shocked. I mean, my dual drill and quarter drive impact cost is more than this whole tool haul was. So if you guys have any good experience at Lowe's, let me know. But like try it out. You go to your local Lowe's stores. They're doing clearance right now. It's technically in tools starting tomorrow. Today is the 26th, so they're starting on 27th over here. So go talk to somebody in charge, see if you can just get 75% off if you buy a bunch of shit, and let me know how it works out. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. We do pretty much car stuff, tool reviews, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, it's kind of all over the place. I haven't figured out the total direction of the channel yet. But yeah, please subscribe so we can grow and I can figure out how to be more helpful doing lots of DIY car videos, tool reviews, things like that. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, hit thumbs up. If you go to Lowe's and they hook you up with 75%, definitely hit thumbs up and subscribe. Alright guys, take care, have a good day.